Hi guys, in this video we are going to construct a binary tree from an array provided by the user. Okay, so basically the user will provide us an array of type integer class, that means capital I and TEGR. Okay, and we have to construct the binary tree from that array. Okay, so firstly let's try to put this binary tree into an array. How this binary tree will look when it will get converted to an array. Okay, so basically what we have to do is we have to do pre-order traversal. Okay, I hope you all guys know what is pre-order traversal. If not, then in pre-order traversal, firstly we will do some work, then we will call the left child, then we will call the right child. Okay, so our work is simply just to get the element, just to put it into an array. Okay, so firstly we will start from here 50, 25, then 12, 25, then 12. Okay, left of 12 is null, right of 12 is null, null, null. I am representing null with n. Okay, then it will move up, then it will move to 37, 37, then it will move down 30, then left of 30 is null, right of 30 is null, null, null. Okay, now right of 37 is null, null. We will move up, 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 and we will get to 75. Okay, now we will move to 62, then left of 62 is null and right of 62 is 70. Then left of 70 is null, right of 70 is null, null, null. Then we will move up 62, 75, 87, 87. Then left of 87 is null, right of 87 is null, null, null. Then we will move up and get. So this is our pre-order traversal. So basically, user will provide us this array. This array will be provided by the user, and we have to convert it back to that binary tree. How we are going to do this? Okay, for this, we are required a stack of type pair. This pair will be our class. Okay, so what this class will hold? This class will hold an integer called state. This state variable will tell that what we have to do. Either you have to put the next element to your left child, either you have to put the next element to the right child, or either you have to pop yourself. Okay, so these three things can be is going to be told by state, and after that we are going to store the value of, yeah, so you can say node that. Okay, so this is all. This is the type of pair class. This is the type of pair class. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to create a stack. Okay, we will create a stack. Okay, let me move this page up. We will create a stack. Some bigger stack. Okay, okay. Now firstly we will push the this is our array 50, 25, this 75 is just after this null. Okay, I have some less space, that's why I written this. Firstly we will create a pair class and we will put state as -1. Okay, you can put any number which you can specify, because when you are writing your code you have to specify that if state is -1, if state is 0, if state is 1. Okay, so you have to specify. I'm writing 0, 1, 0, -1, 0 and 1. -1 represents that the next element will be left child of current node. Okay, 1 represents the same thing, but it will be the right child. Okay, it will be right. Oh, sorry, no, I said wrong thing. 0 represents the same thing, but it will be right child. 0 represents, okay, and 1 represents then you need to pop the current element. Okay, you need to pop the current element. These three things are representing this thing. Okay, so firstly, you will add 50. You will add a pair class containing 50 node and -1 value. Okay, and I am drawing here the binary tree 50. We got 50. This is state. State is -1 and we got 25. I will increase the state to 0. I will write 25 -1 and I will add it to left because the state was of 50 was -1. So I added it to the left. Okay. Now this is visited 12. I will increase its value to 0. 12 with state -1. Okay. 12 with state -1. Take null and null. We got two null. Okay. I'm taking this. If we got null, then we will increase the value, but we will not push or pop. We will not do anything in stack. We will just increase the value of current element. Current element is 12. We got 2n. It becomes 0. It became 1. And when it became 1, we will pop the current element. Okay. So I will just pop the current element. So 12 is gone. Okay, 12 is gone. Now we got 37. So I will increase the state to 1 and I will add 37 with state -1 and I will add it to right of 25 because the state was 25. The state of 25 was 0. So I added 37 to its right. Okay, now 30 with state -1. I will increase its state to 0 and I will add it to left 30. Okay, now 30 is visited. Null, 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 null. I will increase its value 2 times 0, 1, and I will just pop 30. I will just pop 30. Okay, after that I got one more null. One more null means I will increase its value to 1 and I will increase 37. Okay, I will pop 37. Okay, now I got 75. I got 75, but as you can see, the value of 25 is 1. The value of 25 is also 1. So I will also pop 25. Understood? Now just add 75. Okay, so 75 with state -1. I will increase its value to 1. Okay, now just add 75 here because the state of 50 was 0. So I added 75 to its right. Take 62. Just add 62 with state -1, increase its state to 0 and add 62 its left. Okay, I got null. I will increase its value to 0. Okay, I got 70. I will add it to its right. I will increase the value to 1. Okay, and I will add 70 with state -1. I got two nulls, so it will become 0, then it will become 1. So I will pop 70. Okay, now 70 got popped. Now the state of 62 is also 1, so I also popped it. Okay, the state of 75 is 0. That means 87 will get to its right. 87, and I will add 87. Understood? And when and this will be 1. This will be 1 because when we are adding 62, I forgot to increase the value of 75 by 1. Okay, this was my mistake. And 87 will state -1. Okay, 87. No. I will move back. Okay, this was our state. So what we will do is I added 87. Okay, so 87 will get added with state -1, and this will be 1. 75, the state of 75 will become 1. Now we got two null, 0, 1. Okay, now its state become 1. We will pop this 1, pop this 1, pop this. We got our tree. This is our tree. This is exactly same as we made before. Okay, so this is all we are going to do. let's implement this. Okay, let's implement this. This is the array 50, 25, 12. You can see this is exactly same 50, 25, 12, null, null, 50, 25, 12, null, null, 37, 30, null, 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 37, 30, null, 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 75, 62, null, 70, 75, 62, null, 70, null, null, 87, null, 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 87, null, null. Okay, so this is exactly the same array. Okay, so let's implement this. Let's implement this. Firstly, we will create another class. We'll create another class, public static class, and the name of the class is pair. You can give any name you want. Okay, it's pair. Okay, now int state and node. Okay, we will create a constructor, public pair int state node. Okay, this dot state equals to state, this dot node equals to node. So we have created the pair class. Now what we have to do is we have to create a stack. We have to create a stack which will be of pair type. Okay, and in this stack, let's name this new stack. Okay, firstly we will push the 50. We will push the root node, that is 50. stk dot push new pair, state is -1, and node is for that also we have to create a node. For that also we have to create a node, because no node is created right now. Okay, so node equals to new node. Okay, I'm creating a node and I'm passing null and data. Okay, I'm passing null because it's left is null, right is null, and data is array of 0, because I am adding 0th index. So what this line is doing means this line is creating a node, okay, whose left child is null, right child is null, and its data is equals to array of index of 0. Okay, now I am adding that node here. In pair class I am adding that node. Okay, why? stk dot size is not equals to 0. We will loop until our stack becomes empty. Okay, pair, let's name this remove. Okay, stk dot peak. Okay, we will analyze. Okay, now we have to check if rem dot state equals to -1, else if rem dot state equals to 0, else if rem dot state equals to 1. Okay, these three cases can be possible. In this case we just have to stk dot pop. In this case we don't have to do anything, we just have to pop. Okay, if state is -1, that means we need another variable. This variable will take care of the index of array. Okay, so int index equals to 0. Okay, now the state is -7. If state is -1, so index is going to be increased. Index is going to be increased every time in any. In this case also index is going to be increased because we entered. We are going to add something. Okay, now if rem, okay, what we are going to do is we will check if array of index equals to null, then that doesn't make any sense. We just have to increase its value. If array of index is not equals to null, then we have to perform some action. Okay, and its state is going to be increased every time, either it is null or it is not null. But in case it is not null, then we have to create a node. We have to create a node. We have to make that node its left child. Okay, but if it's, we have to increase the state every time we are going to increase its state. But if index is not equal to null, then what is the change? We don't have to add the element to its left. Okay, so now node and you can say left node equals to new node. I'm creating a new node with array index. With array index, here I will write null. Here I will write null, and array of index. Okay, so I created a node. I will just add this to the left. Okay, so what was my current node? rem dot left, rem dot node dot left equals to left node. So I pointed the left node to my current node wherever I am, because if I talk about this loop, I am at 50. So the left of 50 will point it's the left node. Okay, and now I need to push the pair class. Okay, so I will create a pair class, pair p equals to new pair. I will create a pair class. That pair class will have state -1. By default the state is -1, and then I have to include right left node, and then stk dot push p. Okay, this is all we have to do, and I will just copy it. We'll just paste it. Okay, wait. I will just copy it, Control C, and then I will just paste it. Okay, now index is going to be increased. Index is not equals to 1. Node right node. This will be right node. Okay, null dot ये हो गया. Yeah, this is good. Rem dot node dot right equals to right node. Okay, new pair -1 right node. stk dot push rem dot state plus equals to 1 and stk dot pop. Yeah, so this is all what we have to do. Is this is good. Okay, we are increasing the state every time we are going to increase its state. Let me run this. If you are going to face any error, we will sort out that. So I got the problem where we are facing the error. I have written the closing bracket here, but what we have to do is we have to write it here. Okay, I have closed the main function just before the class. Import java.util.star. This is also required because we are going to use stack, and stack cannot be accessed without this class. Okay, now our code is accepted. I hope you guys understood the problem. Thank you.